Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my Superstar Filet square. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the slip stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. To begin, we are going to be making a circle that turns into a square. I have a full playlist on circles that you can make that you can use to start your square, and I will have that listed down below. I am going to be using the chain 4 method, which I also have a tutorial on, and that's how I'm going to be starting my square. To start row 1, I have made 4 chains. You're going to make 2 double crochet into the chain farthest away from you. These chains that we had made at the beginning are going to count as a double crochet, so these are going to be 3 double crochet together. Then you're going to make 3 chains for our corner, 1, 2, and 3. You're going to make 3 double crochet into this center space to make a side. We're going to make another corner, 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. We're going to make our next side into this center space. You're going to make 3 double crochet. We're going to make our next corner, 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. We're going to make our last side, so you're going to make 3 double crochet into this center space. So that's 1, 2, and 3, and we're going to make our last corner, make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. We're now back at the beginning where we started. You're going to slip stitch into these chains at the beginning of our row to complete this row. To start row 2, make 4 chains. So we're going to be skipping over the middle stitch of these previous 3, which is this one right here. So the one where our chains are attached. You're going to make a double crochet into the next stitch. And this chain 4 that we made is going to count as a stitch and then a chain. Now we're ready to make our corner. You're going to make 2 double crochet into the corner. So 1 and 2. Then you're going to make 3 chains to make our new corner, and then make 2 double crochet into this same corner space. So that's 1. So now we're at our next side. We have these 3 stitches. You're going to make 1 double crochet into the first stitch, make a chain to skip this next stitch, and then into this next one make a double crochet. We're at our next corner, so we're going to make this same corner we had made, 2 double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 2 double crochet all into that same corner. Now we're at our next side. You're going to make 1 double crochet into this first stitch, make a chain to skip over this middle one, into this next one make a double crochet. Now we're at our corner again, 2 double crochet into that corner space, make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, and then 2 double crochet into that same corner space. We're at our next side, make 1 double crochet into the first stitch, make a chain to skip that middle one, make a double crochet into the next stitch. We're at our last corner, into this corner, 2 double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then make 2 double crochet into the same corner space. Now we made it back to the beginning of our row. You're simply going to slip stitch into these chains or this space that we made with those chains at the beginning of our row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 4 chains. Again, these 4 chains are going to count as a double crochet and then a chain. You're going to skip over this previous chain 1 space. This row is going to be very similar to row 2. We just have more stitches to work into on our sides, but we are going to maintain these chain 1 spaces. So you're going to skip over this space, And then into each stitch across until you reach a corner, you're going to make 1 double crochet into each. And then as your square gets bigger, you will have more stitches on the side to work into, and it's simply going to be 1 double crochet into each stitch, skip over this chain 1 space, 1 double crochet into each stitch. Now we're at the corner. The corners are going to stay the same, 2 double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then 2 double crochet all into that same corner. Now we've reached our next side. Like I said, 1 double crochet into each stitch until you reach this chain 1 space. Make a chain to skip over that chain 1 space, and then make 1 double crochet into each stitch until you reach the corner. Into that corner, 2 double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then 2 double crochet all into that same corner. Same thing, 1 double crochet into each stitch until you reach this chain 1 space. Make a chain to skip over that space, make 1 double crochet into each stitch until you reach the next corner. Into that next corner, 2 double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then 2 double crochet all into that same corner. Make 1 double crochet into each stitch until you reach the next chain 1 space. Make 1 chain to skip over that space, make 1 double crochet into each stitch until you reach the next corner space. We've reached the next corner, 2 double crochet into that corner, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, 2 double crochet into that corner. Make 1 double crochet into each stitch until you reach these chains. Now, like I said, these chains at the beginning of our row count as a double crochet, so we're only going to make 2 right here because this one is technically acting like a stitch into this one. So just like that. Then you're going to slip stitch into that chain 1 space to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now repeat row 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make my superstar filet square. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.